You can do it. No, it doesn't go there. Yes, turn it. No. No. Why do you have trouble with the diamond? Circle. Circle. That's the diamond. Where does the diamond go? Where does it go? Not there. Not there.
Daddy.
Where does that go? Yeah. Good job. Can you turn it? You can. There you go. Good job. Good job. Yep, that goes there. Got the star. Yay! Square. Square. Good job. Yep, that's right.
Yeah, Dad.
Star. Heart. Triangle. Heart. Yay for Isabel!